Welcome to Stock Invest YouTube channel and this stock report for Google. The report was first published on our website Thursday, July 28, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Google? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Google stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.535. In this period the stock has had a gain of 0.87%. This is an average return of 0.44% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Google, our last headline reads, Google stock price ended on $114.59 on Thursday after gaining 0.87%. The Google stock price gained 0.87% on the last trading day, Thursday, July 28, 2022, rising from $113.60 to $114.59, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.55% from a day low at $111.85 to a day high of $114.70. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -18 million shares and in total, 23 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.65 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $152.10, and the lowest price was $102.21. Right now the price is 24.66%, or $37.51, below 52-week high and 95.47%, or $2,412.40, below all-time high June 11, 2021 where the price hit $2,526.99. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -2.19% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -10.08% and 2.44%. The 12-month trend indicates a -20.99% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -27.49% and -8.60%. This equals a price between $83.09 and $104.74 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Google stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Google stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Google. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Google stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $111.42 and $112.53. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 26, 2022, and so far it has risen 8.68%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see Short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to go to our page at stockinvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $114.04, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.85 between high and low, or 2.55%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.89%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Google. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Google currently has a price-earning ratio of 21.08. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Google meets first resistance at $115.66. If you do not hold Google shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Google finds first level of support at $114.04, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Google is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 25, 2022, Mather ANN made an inside sell of 300 of Class C capital stock. On July 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,059 of Class C Google stock units. On July 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,041 of Class C Google stock units. On July 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside buy of 1,059 of Class C capital stock. On July 11, 2022, Hennessy John L. made an inside sell of 2 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -37.315. In total, the insiders bought 14,312 and sold 31,479 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $110.40. minus 3.66%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 2 days ago. Is Google stock a buy? Google holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 29th, we expect Google to open down negative 88 cents and start trading at $113.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon stockinvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.